Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean up Gmail inbox. Now this is a very simple and very effective trick and I'm going to go ahead and teach you. So as of the moment I have 976 in my inbox, and in order for me to do this I can go ahead and click the settings, see all settings, and then the inbox tab here. Now from here in the categories, go ahead and select these. So promotions, socials, updates, and sometimes forums. I'm going to go ahead and click save changes. Now, the moment I do that, you can see that now we are down to 246. So we head over to each one of them. So say for example, Grammarly or promotions. So here we have Grammarly, and as you can see, there's a lot from this particular email. So I can go ahead and right click in one of them and then click find emails from Grammarly. Now, say for example, this is a conversation or this is like a subscription that I don't want to receive anymore. Go ahead and make sure you click the unsubscribe button right here, and then you're going to go ahead and click this. So what it's going to do is that it's going to delete everything, or it's going to choose everything from Grammarly, and then you can go ahead and click the delete button right here. So now that is done, let's close this one, click back the email, and we head over to promotions again. So as you can see, Grammarly is all done, and you can follow the same steps for promotions, social. So here, for example, I have Facebook friend suggestion. Right click on that, find emails from this one, hit all, and you can click advanced search if you want to in order for you to be able to identify filter. And as you can see, I've just selected 50 conversations here, but you can go ahead and click this one right here. So basically it's going to select all of the conversations related to this particular sender, and then click this one, click OK. All right, and as you can see, there's still some here, but don't worry, this is in the progress of being deleted right now. So as you can see here, it says that it's going to take longer, but yeah, that is basically how you're going to do it. So you can repeat the same process. Facebook, for example, make sure you unsubscribe, and then make sure that you click everything. So find that, select all conversation, and then delete. So yeah, the moment you do this one, you should be able to clean your inbox real quick. And that, everybody, is how it is done. I hope this video helps you out.